Then Jesus answered and said unto her, O woman, great is thy faith, be it unto thee even as thou wilt. And her daughter was made whole from that very hour. May God bless you. Amen. Chu vele I suat chuan a hnena meichhia irin anasa e mai iduang takin I chunga omro se atia a changa ti chuan a fanu chu chumi a china chuan alo dam tameya kan rin anasat chuan kan duang takin kan chunga a om don lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.